I remember when I came home from school every day, I would practice my drums until my father came home. Then I had to practice like this. But before he came home, I could practice like this. How many mothers out there have kids that play drums? Oh, bless you, heart. This is patience. This is suffering. There's a special place in heaven for you, I'm sure. I'll never forget my dear mother on afternoons would stand over while I practiced next to the mantelpiece so she could stand at the end and catch the bric-a-brac as it vibrated just before it fell off on the floor.